Hi, hello, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you two of my favorite quick veggie dinner recipes. These are quick, healthy weekday meals that come together in under 30 minutes. The first is an Asian-inspired sweet and savory tempeh dinner. The second is a cashew cream pasta with a plant-based chorizo. Both of these quick veggie dinner recipes are guaranteed to make a common appearance in your healthy weekday dinner rotation. Let's begin.
Our first quick veggie dinner recipe feeds 3 to 4 and consists of a ginger rice, sauteed broccoli, and tempeh strips in a sweet soy glaze. First thing to do is measure out 1 cup of basmati rice and wash it not once, but twice. I like to agitate the rice in water using my fingers until the water becomes cloudy. Then, drain out the cloudy water and repeat. This helps remove the surface starch from the rice grains. It's also mildly therapeutic. Place your washed rice to the side and combine the following to make your sauce. 3 tablespoons of real maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, place a tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan and place on medium-high heat. Optionally, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to the oil. Replace the butter with vegan butter or omit it altogether to make this a vegan recipe. That's right, I'm woke enough to know that butter comes from cows. Dice the whites of 2 scallions and mince about an inch or 15 grams of peeled ginger. To peel the ginger, use a teaspoon and scrape off the skin. This will save you a lot of time. Don't struggle using a potato peeler for this. Add both the ginger and green onion to the saucepan with the oil and optional butter. Saute for about 3 minutes until the scallions are softened and the ginger is fragrant. After about 3 minutes, add the basmati rice and toast for another 2 to 3 minutes while stirring often. Once the rice is toasted, add the recommended amount of water according to the instructions on the package. Bring to a boil, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's saute the broccoli. Take your broccoli crowns and cut into florets. Next, place a large non-stick frying pan on medium-high heat. Add your florets to your preheated pan and add a few glugs of olive oil. You could also blanch your broccoli before sauteing if you prefer a softer vegetable. Personally, I like this method because it creates depth of flavor with some charred pieces, and the end result is a crisp floret that snaps like a Slim Jim. Season your broccoli and keep it moving in the pan to prevent burning. I'm using crushed red pepper flakes for some added heat, but feel free to leave this out if you're a wuss. After about 6 minutes, your broccoli should be lightly charred and its color more vibrant. Remove the veggies from the pan and wipe the pan clean. Cut your tempeh in 1/4-inch pieces and place directly into the pan. Add your sauce, making sure to cover the tempeh and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side. You'll notice the sauce start to reduce and thicken. As it does, turn your tempeh more often as they tend to burn as the sauce thickens. Once the sauce is almost completely reduced like you see here, toss the tempeh in the pan, coating them in the remaining sauce, which is more of a glaze at this point. Once all your tempeh is coated, remove and serve. Moving along to quick veggie dinner recipe number 2, cashew cream pasta. Our ingredients for the sauce consist of 1 cup of cashews, half a can or 7.25 ounces of fire-roasted tomatoes, a tablespoon of miso paste, a tablespoon of whole oregano, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, optional, 1 garlic clove, a 1/4 cup of water, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. The remaining ingredients are 1 pound of penne pasta, 1 pound of plant-based chorizo, 1 15.5 ounce can of Great North or cannellini beans, I'm not sure if I said that right, half a can or 7.25 ounces of fire-roasted tomatoes, and a heaping handful of baby spinach. We start with making the cashew cream sauce. In a blender, add the cashews, garlic, whole oregano, miso paste, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, diced tomatoes, water, and seasoning. Blend on high for about 30 seconds to a minute until you reach the desired consistency. This is the consistency you desire. You should end up with about 1 cup of sauce. Set that to the side and fill your favorite pasta pot with water. Season with salt and bring to a boil. While you wait for the water to boil, you can rinse your beans and remove the chorizo from its packaging. Just before your water comes to a boil, place a large nonstick pan on medium-high heat and add your chorizo. Break up the chorizo with a spoon and let sit for about 4 to 5 minutes undisturbed until the bottom pieces start to brown. Stir and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes and remove from the pan. At this point, your water should be ready to go. Add your pasta and stir every few minutes. Place your nonstick pan back on the heat and add your beans and diced tomatoes. Season and bring to a simmer while your pasta cooks. Drain your pasta and add it back to your pot. Then add your spinach, beans, tomatoes, chorizo, and your cashew cream sauce. Give everything a good mix until the spinach is wilted and the sauce is fully incorporated. You can add some of the pasta water here if necessary. For a vegan option, plate and enjoy as is. Or optionally, you can add the cheese of your choice and still enjoy it because it's delicious.
Guys, both of these quick veggie dinner recipes are in fact some of my favorites, and they're definitely in my weekly rotation here in my kitchen. Now I hope you give them a try because, well, if you don't, I'm not sure why you watch this video, unless I'm really just that entertaining. Now, if you have a keen eye, you may have noticed that in the video I was using this cutting board. Now, it's not a sponsored video. I'm not making any money on this. However, I have to share this product with you because it is in fact a great freaking deal. If you go to Amazon right now or click in the link in the description below, you can purchase this cutting board made by the Greener Chef, which comes with a lifetime warranty, and that's not all. If you purchase this cutting board and send a picture of yourself using the cutting board, they will send you this bottle of cutting board oil spray. Made from 100% pure walnut oil, it naturally revitalizes and protects the bamboo and kitchen wood products in your kitchen. Guys, not sponsored, but who are you to not spend $25 on the last cutting board you're ever gonna need? And it comes with a free bottle of spray. It's the best deal ever. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it dramatically helps the YouTube algorithm. I'm sure you've heard this before, but leave a comment if you made one of these dishes because I'd like to know from you how I could improve them. As always, keep busy, stay healthy, be happy, and I will see you in the next one.